First, Jeff Sargent, ONB Residential Mortgage Division. FHA versus VA. Is there a battle going on? Are they even in the same category? What does a consumer need to know?
It's a clash of the titans, Daryl. Actually, no. I'll just kind of explain the differences. And we all know that one day we'll have a bunch of veterans coming home soon, we hope. And so there will be a need for VA loans more than we have right now.
More so than we have now. We do them now, but they're not in real high demand. You have to find special lenders and stuff like that.
Exactly. So what we can talk about is FHA is not a 100% loan. It's a 97.75% loan. A VA is a 100% deal. They give the vets 100%, no down payment. You still need some money though. Closing costs, prepaid items. So with FHA, you need a little more money than you do VA, but on November 15th, we have bond money coming out in Tulsa County.
All of these words are just confusing.
It is.
I even know what you're talking about, and I'm having to listen carefully to make sure the 97 point whatever % loan and how much you have to have down, and the bond money is out. Well, what kind of bond money? Is it first-time home buyer only? Is it targeted area bond money? I mean, these things make your head swim.
I know. I mean, mine's swimming now. There is targeted bond money.
Meaning, if you're getting this loan, it has to be in a certain area?
Census tract,
okay.
Yes. And those loans, they'll allow you to get a bigger home, and they'll loan you more money, and they'll allow you to make more money.
Is that a good thing, though, with all of this fallout in the market and people being overloaned money? They had a credit addiction, and, you know, I'm not pointing fingers at anybody here, so don't take offense, but you can look at our national economic situation and see that we've just been overloaded on credit. Give me more, I don't care how I'm going to pay for it. What do bond money loans
That's not these type of loans. These are to actually get people in the game, actually give them an opportunity for first-time home buyers.
This is more people in the mortgage market, or where does this money come from? Answer that question.
What we do, we combine it with an FHA or a VA loan, and it's Tulsa County Bond Assistance, so it helps the county of Tulsa.
Do taxpayers put this money in and then it becomes bond money loaned out?
Yes, and it enables Tulsa County to make money to help whatever programs there are,
so
and
this
it allows.
is good for the economy, though, right? Because if you get someone that isn't a homeowner buying a home, and then they're buying other products for that home, so
Jerry,
is that the ultimate goal?
Thank you for bringing up that point, because as much as we talk about this, and I'll have friends, they'll tell me, "Oh, Daryl, I liked your show," and well, I say, "Okay, critique it. What did you like? What did you not like?" "Well, that bond money stuff, you know, I don't need any of that. It doesn't seem to matter." It matters if you're buying a luxury home, because when you're buying a luxury home, you generally have another home that you want to sell, which isn't probably a first-time home buyer house. But then someone else who's buying that house has a mid-range home or an executive level home, and it trickles all the way down. And you know where it starts? It starts with somebody who may have used bond money, and one of those sales creates a string of sales behind it, and that's why we care about this stuff, and that's why we talk about it, because first-time home buyers are really the fuel that drives the market. It also creates safer neighborhoods, and you can look at every statistic you want. Home ownership is good. So help encourage people to get in the home ownership cycle. 481-6833. If you are a first-time home buyer, if you have any question about FHA, VA, bond loans, luxury homes, what we call jumbo loans, you want to talk to ONB Mortgage. Jeff Sargent, 481-6833. I'm Daryl Baskin. We're going to come back with some houses after this. Jerry Shishulski on what else you should invest in, if you should invest in anything besides your home. And I'll tell you about the Tulsa real estate market and how it is flying in the face of the national news.